In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a pending deposit on Robinhood. If you've ever made a deposit to your Robinhood account and for any reason realized you need to stop that transfer before the funds arrive, you'll want to know how to quickly and easily cancel it. This process can be done using either the Robinhood app on your mobile device or by logging in to Robinhood's website on your computer. I'll walk you through each step and share a few helpful tips along the way to make sure you get it right the first time. Let's get started by opening your Robinhood app or visiting their official website. Once you're on the login screen, go ahead and enter your login details. After you've successfully logged into your account, locate the account section. On the app, you'll usually find this by tapping on the person icon or profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. On the website, look near the top or side of the screen for the account menu. After you've accessed your account section, look for an option labeled Transfers. This is where you can manage all of your deposits, withdrawals, and other movement of funds to and from your Robinhood account. Once you're in the transfers area, you'll see different options. You need to look for Transfer to Robinhood, which covers deposits you've initiated to fund your account. There's also a section labeled Pending Transfers, which is where you'll find any transfers that are still in progress and haven't fully completed yet. In the Pending Transfers section, take a look through the list to find the deposit that you want to cancel. The details here may include the transaction amount and the originating bank. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have several deposits in progress at the same time. Now, if the deposit is still pending and eligible to be cancelled, you'll see a Cancel button or link right next to that deposit entry. Tap or click on Cancel. You might be asked to confirm your choice. Review the details to make sure everything's correct, and when you're ready, complete the cancellation. If the button isn't visible, it may mean that the deposit has already gone through or has reached a stage in the process where it can no longer be cancelled. To sum up, all you need to do to cancel a pending deposit on Robinhood is log in, go to your account, navigate to Transfers, check Pending Transfers, and tap Cancel next to the appropriate deposit if the option is available. Remember, acting quickly is key, as you can only cancel transfers that are still pending. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your Robinhood transfers.